Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can qualify for Kraken Pro app. So first, it's nothing special. You just need to be 18 years old and your residence needs to be in supported area. So UK and Australia often have restriction or trading incentives or derivatives. Now what you need to do basically, just simply you need to create the account and then confirm the account with your ID state and some information how you can, if you are eligible for trading. And yeah, you will need to add your government issued photo ID, proof of residence. um, what else you will need to add? Some, yeah, basically ID, your photo. You will need to take in-app photo of your face to confirm, and this is pretty much it what you will need to do. um, Download your Kraken Pro app from App Store or Google Play, and then you can just log in if you have now just Kraken app. So if you have standard Kraken account, you are already qualified, so you just need to download it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.